Front bumper view. Greater than, the front of the 2026 Honda NSX makes a commanding first impression. Bathed in a crystal white finish, the aggressive front bumper features sculpted air ducts that enhance aerodynamics while cooling the engine with precision. The bold, low-slung grille is framed by sleek, blade-like LED headlights, giving the NSX a sharp, futuristic gaze. Every line, every crease in the front fascia is designed to cut through the air, merging form with function, performance with presence. Back bumper view. Greater than, from the rear, the 2026 NSX stands tall with purpose and aggression. The rear bumper is carved for performance, housing a functional diffuser and twin exhaust tips that growl with each acceleration. A striking LED tail light bar spans the full width, creating a continuous red glow that demands attention, day or night. The sculpted curves, subtle spoiler, and wide stance bring together balance and brutality in perfect harmony. This is the rear of a true performance icon. Left side full view. Greater than, along the left profile, the NSX displays its racing soul and artistic curves. The long, low silhouette is enhanced by precision-cut body lines that sweep from the aggressive front to the muscular rear. The white paint shimmers under the showroom lights, accentuating its perfectly proportioned stance. From the carbon side skirts to the deep concave wheels, every element is tuned to speak one word: speed. This isn't just design, it's aerodynamics in motion. Right side with doors open view. Greater than, as the butterfly doors rise gracefully on the right side, the NSX reveals its inner brilliance. Step closer and you're welcomed by an interior that's both race-focused and luxurious. Premium materials meet purposeful design, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and soft-touch leather flow throughout. The contrast between the crisp white exterior and the dark, illuminated interior delivers drama and elegance in every frame. The open doors don't just reveal a cabin, they unveil an experience. Interior dashboard view. Greater than, slide into the driver's seat, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's born for performance and built for connection. The 2026 NSX dashboard is minimalist, modern, and fully digital. A widescreen display merges seamlessly with the center console, providing real-time telemetry, navigation, and entertainment at your fingertips. The flat-bottomed steering wheel feels sculpted for control, while red contrast stitching and ambient lighting complete the race-ready yet refined atmosphere. Here, the car doesn't just respond to you, it becomes part of you. Top view. Greater than, seen from above, the 2026 Honda NSX is a masterpiece of flow and symmetry. The sweeping lines of the roof integrate effortlessly into the rear deck, with a panoramic glass section revealing the sculpted seats and cockpit below. The white paint glows under the lights, outlining the sculpted shoulders and air inlets. From this view, the car appears less like a machine, and more like a modern sculpture, perfectly balanced, perfectly engineered.